The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Logan County in Ohio until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Lakeview, or about 12 miles northwest of Bellefontaine, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Russell's Point and Bell Center. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday evening for Ohio.